Welcome everyone. This is Maths Tuition Expert, a platform where you'll be learning simple mathematics tricks. Today, we'll be treating how to multiply any number ending with 5 by itself. For example, 15 times 15, 25 times 25, 35 times 35, 45 times 45, without the use of calculator in less than 5 minutes. How do you do this? The first step, 5 times 5 is 25. Write it down. Then you open a bracket behind the 25. Here, the bracket doesn't mean multiplication, but it's just that the result of any operation you perform within this bracket will just be behind the figure 25. You pick 1. What is the next number after 1? That is 2. 1 times 2 gives 2. Then your result for 15 times 15 is 225. For the next one, 25 times 25, the same way, 5 times 5 is 25. Open a bracket behind it. This is figure 2. What is the next number after 2? That is 3. 2 times 3 is what? 6. And you have 625. That is 25 times 25. The same thing goes for this. You write down your 25. In number system, what is the next number after 3? That is 4. Multiply them, you have 12 on your 25. This is 1,225, which is the result of 35 times 35. The same goes for 45 times 45. You write down your 25. 4 times 5. The next number after 4 is 5. 4 times 5 is what? 20. So you have 2,025. So you can use this even for large numbers like 105 times 105. Just write down your 25, which is the result of 5 times 5, and the numbers behind it, which is 10, and the next number after 10 is what? 11. 10 times 11 is 110, and with your 25, you have 11,025. You can try this at any spare time of yours. This is how you multiply any number ending with 5. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. More videos are coming. Watch out.